Myself, Romit Rajput, BT19 EC092. So the task for the EndSem was to make a ATM system using ESP32, and we also have to make a bot to communicate with it to provide OTP and to show the balance in the account, remaining balance in the account after the withdrawal. So for the input of the OTP, we have used the two capacitive pins, and for the withdrawal part we have used the three capacitive touch pin, and we have attached one LED light. This LED lights corresponds to uh, the situation when the money in the account will be less than 500, then the red light will glow, and if it is greater than 500, then this green light will glow. These three pins are used as a input capacitive input pins. For the withdrawal, these two pins are used for the input of the OTP to the ESP32 system, and this this yellow color wire and these two LEDs are for which shows that if the money in the ATM is less than 500, then this red light will glow, and if it is greater than 2400, then this green light will glow constantly. There were several part of this task, and the first and the main important task was uh, to set up a bot that can communicate with the ESP32, and as well as the serial monitor. So the first task was the setting up of a bot. So for that we have used a Telegram, and on that we have made a bot using the bot father. If we give the /login command, then it will send us the 2-digit OTP. So we can see that here, if we give the command /login, so here we have received the 2-digit OTP. So with the help of the capacitive pin, we will input this OTP to the ESP32 system, and after that we will so for the input we first need the OTP. So here we have received our OTP. Now we will input this to our system, and after giving it to the system, we will be verified and authorized to go further to do our withdrawal process. So our OTP was 66, and with the help of this two capacitive pin, we will give the OTP input to the system. As of now it is showing the unauthorized user, but when we will give the proper input, then it will give us the access. So here when I'm pressing the tip of the wire, then the value is getting changed. So our OTP was 66, so we will make it 66 for the digit 2 first. 4, 5, 6. So second digit has become 6, so we will now make the first digit 6 with the same way by pressing this pin. 36. So in the video we can see that after getting authorized we can proceed to select the withdrawal amount, and after that we can withdraw the money, and uh, the remaining quantity of notes is also shown here, and the total amount, and after withdrawn what is the balance, that is also shown here. So as we can see the balance is 16,500, and if we write now balance in our Telegram app, then we'll get the same output on the serial monitor as 16,500.